Okay guys, here's the video for problem number 1. So it says a stunt airplane is flying at 150 feet. It ascends or goes up to 325 feet. And you have to write and solve an addition equation to find the change in altitude of the airplane. In other words, how much it went up. So I'm going to use F for feet. Doesn't matter what you use. So in my bar diagram, F is how much the airplane changed. Now remember, it started at 150 feet. So if it started at 150 feet, it went up F feet. That's how much it changed. So you would add that on to 150, and then you would get where it is now, which is 325. So that means your equation should be 150 feet, where it started. It changed by going up F feet, and now it's at 325 feet. Okay, now I'm going to solve it. I subtract 150 from each side. Cancel, and I get F is, and that's 175 feet. So it changed, it went up 175 feet. All right, that's number 1. Thanks.